In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Plus500 Futures. By the end, you'll feel comfortable signing in, finding the right contract, opening the trade panel, choosing your order type, and placing a trade with confidence. First, sign in on the Plus500 Futures website or app using your secure login. Make sure you're on a trusted connection and that the app is up to date. Once you're in, you'll land on the main trading area, where you can quickly access markets and account information. If you're new, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout so you know where your watch list, orders, and positions will appear after you start trading. Next, use the search bar or browse the menu to find your contract. Type the name of the market you want, like E-mini S&P 500, micro gold, or micro oil. The platform will show you matching futures contracts, often with different expirations. Micro contracts are smaller in size, which can be helpful if you want more precise position sizing. Before you proceed, glance at the contract's details to understand tick size, trading hours, and margin requirements so there are no surprises. Click the futures contract you want. This opens its dedicated page with real-time pricing, a chart, and key specifications. Confirm you've selected the correct contract month and the instrument that matches your trading plan. You'll typically see a button or prompt to trade this market. When you open the trade panel, you'll see the order ticket. This is where you choose direction, quantity, and order type. You'll also see current prices and an estimate of the margin you'll need. Take a second to review the information displayed. Clarity here helps you avoid placing the wrong order. Choose your order type. A market order executes immediately at the best available price and is useful when speed matters. A limit order lets you specify a price at which you're willing to buy or sell, giving you control over entry but only filling if the market reaches that price. A stop order triggers once the market hits a level you set, which can help you enter on momentum. Set your quantity in contract units and double-check the price fields if you're using a limit or stop. Finally, place the trade. Confirm whether you're buying to go long or selling to go short. Verify the order type and quantity, review the estimated margin and any fees, and then submit. You'll receive a confirmation, and your order will appear in your orders or positions. That's all it takes to use Plus500 Futures confidently and efficiently.